How to write an effective Upwork proposal. First of all, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. Then go to the job post you want to apply for. Carefully read the job description to understand the client's requirement, scope, and expectations. Next, click on the Submit a Proposal button. Start by writing a strong opening that grabs the client's attention. Introduce yourself briefly and mention your relevant experience related to the project. After that, clearly explain how you plan to complete the project and solve the client's problem. Be specific about your approach, methods, and the skills you will use. Avoid generic statements and focus on adding value. Next, provide examples of your previous work that are relevant to the job. You can attach portfolio items or include links to showcase your expertise. Then mention your estimated timeline and rates, keeping them realistic based on the project requirements. End your proposal with a friendly, professional closing, expressing your interest in discussing the project further. Finally, proofread your proposal carefully to avoid grammatical errors and ensure it looks professional. Now you know how to write an effective Upwork proposal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.